Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this week's vendor master file tip of the week is that vendor confirmation for a banking change valid? And the reason that I say that is because I came across a scenario where a confirmation call was made and the vendor confirmed the banking. And let's see what's wrong with that and what you can do about it. All right, so I recommend that you use a script. And this is really because you want to make sure that all of your team members are saying the same thing and they're not giving away information that doesn't really confirm that vendor or ensure that you are actually talking to your vendor. And so let's get started with what the first thing or is the first thing I think you should say. So in that script, you need to identify yourself. Your team member needs to identify themselves and also include the internal employee that the vendor has a relationship with because we know it's not typically not the accounts payable team. And so identifying the internal employee kind of puts them at ease for what's going to come next. Now, the next thing is you do want to verify that, they requested a bank change. And here's the difference with some vendors and their team members that work for them or points of contact or whoever, you contact at the vendor's place of business is that they're not all the same, right? Some of them, in some cases, are far removed from the actual vendor themselves, right? They're bigger companies. And so they may not reveal to you that they're not the right person. They do know that you owe them an invoice. And so they may just tell you what you want them or what they want you or what you want them to tell you, if I said that right. So